Did you know that your heart beats about 100,000 times a day? That's right, this tireless engine works round the clock, pumping life-giving blood to every cell in your body. And guess what fuels this extraordinary machine? The very food you consume. Every morsel, every bite plays a pivotal role in maintaining the health of your heart. Now imagine the power of food in maintaining this incredible organ's health. So, what are the best foods for heart health? The first on our list is berries. Berries are packed with heart-healthy phytonutrients and soluble fiber. These small but mighty fruits, whether they're blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries, are a great source of antioxidants like anthocyanins, which protect against the oxidative stress and inflammation that contribute to the development of heart disease. Next up is oatmeal. A heartwarming bowl of oatmeal isn't just a comfort food, it's also a heart protector. Oatmeal is high in soluble fiber, which can lower cholesterol. It acts as a sponge in the digestive tract, soaking up cholesterol-rich bile so it can be eliminated from the body, reducing the risk of heart disease. Lastly, for this part, let's talk about dark chocolate. It's not just a sweet indulgence. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants like flavonoids, which can help boost heart health. Remember, we're talking about dark chocolate, not the sugary milk chocolate kind. That's 3 heart-healthy foods so far. But wait, there's more. Continuing our list, we have almonds. Almonds are rich in heart-healthy fats, protein, and fiber. These nutritional powerhouses are your heart's best friend, helping to reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering levels of harmful LDL cholesterol while increasing the good HDL cholesterol. Next in line, we have fatty fish. Fish like salmon and mackerel are swimming with omega-3 fatty acids, the superstars known for reducing heart disease risks. These fatty acids work like magic, lowering blood pressure, reducing blood clotting, and decreasing strokes and heart failure. Lastly, let's talk about green tea. This refreshing brew has been associated with a number of heart benefits. It's packed with antioxidants that help reduce cholesterol and blood pressure, making it a wonderful addition to your heart-healthy diet. So, there you have it. 6 fantastic foods that can help keep your heart in top shape. To summarize, the key to a heart-healthy diet includes incorporating foods rich in fiber, antioxidants, healthy fats, and proteins. We've covered 6 such superfoods: berries bursting with antioxidants, oatmeal packed with soluble fiber, dark chocolate rich in flavonoids, almonds loaded with monounsaturated fats, fatty fish brimming with omega-3 fatty acids, and green tea teeming with catechins. These foods each play a vital role in maintaining heart health. Remember, your heart works incredibly hard for you, so it's only fair you do your part to keep it healthy with these amazing foods. Until next time, eat well and stay healthy.